Sinong tutulong sa akin? Who is going to help me? Babalik din ako kaagad. I'll be right back. Ibigay mo sa akin yan kapag tapos ka na. Give me that when you are done. Tutulungan mo ba ako? Would you help me? Gusto kitang makita. I'd like to see you. Hindi kita makita. I can't see you. Sasabihin na lang kita. I'll just let you know. Gusto kitang makilala. I'd like to know you. Aalamin natin. Let's find out. Hindi ko sinabi yan. I didn't say that. Huwag mo nang uulitin yan. Don't do it again. Nandito pa rin ako. I am still here. Napakabuti mong tao. You're such a good person. Hindi ako sigurado. I am not sure. Alam ko ang ginagawa ko. I know what I'm doing. Mag-isa ka lang ba rito? Are you alone here? Bakit mo ba ginagawa ito? Why are you doing this? Hindi mo kailangan magpaliwanag. You don't need to explain.